Get ready for a big change as you start your journey to the new earth. It may look like everything is falling apart, and in a way it is. People who are brave enough will see big changes in their old lives when they go to the fifth dimension, which is full of pure love and compassion, every piece at a time. Do you recognize everything? Your body, your thoughts, your beliefs, and even the things that hurt you in the past will change in amazing ways. There are several steps to this journey, and there are many interesting things to see and do along the way. Because of what I learned from Dolores Cannon, we are ready for this huge change. Quantum healing hypnosis was a new way for her to achieve this. It put her clients into a deep trance state where they could see their past lives. More advanced minds and can even communicate with beings from other worlds. Dolores found information that went beyond what we thought was true after years of study and talking to many people. Dolores believed that a big change was just around the corner that would make people more aware and give them a new way of living. A new world is about to start after the old one ends. It's not just a change in how you think. The way we live has changed in a big way. It's about getting better as a person and as a species. Dolores Cannon talked a lot about the idea that the world is changing from 3 dimensions to 5 dimensions. It's not just a change in our minds. It means going beyond the limits of our present reality and becoming more aware of a universe that is bigger and more connected. Do you ever feel like something magical, like something from your wildest dreams, is about to happen to you? Yes, that's what's happening to you as you move toward the new earth. During this trip, you will change inside and out. It takes you to a better place where love and kindness rule. But as you go down this path, the world you've known all your life will start to fall apart. You are getting in trouble with the universe, but it's not because you did something wrong. You have chosen to change. You have to let go of the old to make room for the new in order to grow. Like how a caterpillar changes into a butterfly before its bright wings can take off. It needs to change into something else. The caterpillar's old body falls apart, and a lovely butterfly grows from the pieces. As you move into the 5th dimension, you have to make big changes to both your old self and the world you used to live in. The things going on around you might change, but that's not the only thing that will change. It's all about changing your beliefs, feelings, thoughts, and even the core of who you are. Getting ready for the shift to the 5th dimension means letting go of the worries, fears, and doubts that have been stopping you for a long time. Things will become very strange and go crazy. These things aren't just happening to you. They're signs that you are waking up and becoming more spiritual. Take a look at some cool things you might see on your way to the new earth. Everything in your old life will fall apart, and you shouldn't be afraid of this process. You should welcome it with courage and understanding. There's more to this change than meets the eye. Everything in your life has changed because of this big change. It's like your soul has changed shape. Your life is like a big tapestry, with memories, beliefs, experiences, and relationships as the threads. It looks like you used to live in the tapestry you've been carefully making for years. You've done it for a long time, and it feels good. However, as you move forward on the path to the 5th dimension, you need to take this tapestry apart and glue together something else. One by one, the pieces of your old life will start to fall apart. It's possible that the job you used to love doesn't fit with what you want to do now. It's possible that your group of friends will change as you naturally seek out people with higher vibrations than you. There may be relationships that end on their own because they don't fit with how you're changing. You may also have big changes in the things you like and don't like. You might not be as happy about things that used to make you happy. You might instead become interested in new hobbies, activities, and things that are more in line with the love and compassion that make up the 5th dimension. But that's not all. That's not all of it. People will pay close attention to what you believe because that shapes how you see the world. Thoughts that used to stop you and scare you will be looked at, questioned, and maybe even thrown out. At the same time, it can be freeing and hard because you have to face the long-term programming and conditioning that has shaped the way you think and act. You will also need to take care of wounds and traumas from the past that have been there for a long time. These emotional scars have kept you from moving up to the fifth dimension. You need to face these hurts, heal them with love and kindness, and let go of how they make you feel. Your thoughts, the way your mind talks, will also change all the time. No longer will the negative self-talk, doubts, and fears bother you. You will be at peace with yourself and accept yourself. Your mind will turn into a safe space where happiness, creativity, and higher wisdom can live. Everything will change as you connect with the higher frequencies of the fifth dimension. Everything, even your body. The way your body works will change. You could see changes in how you look, feel more energized, or even be able to understand things better. You'll change into a light vessel that can hold and send the love and kindness that made the fifth dimension what it was. You need to change, cleanse, and heal everything in your life that doesn't work with the fifth dimension. You need to give yourself time and kindness as you go through this. As you tear down your old world, you are, in a way, shedding the old skin of your life to show the beautiful soul that lies beneath. There may be times when you feel uncertain and badly. When people have to let go of things they like, they often feel sad. But keep in mind that you are making room for something much more beautiful and important. People have been interested in telepathy for a very long time. Also, you might have more of these amazing skills as you get closer to the shift to the fifth dimension. It's a gift that goes beyond spoken language and lets you connect deeply with the minds of all living things. Imagine what's going on. Before your friend even speaks, you already know what they are going to say about how they feel and what they think. Sometimes it seems like there is a conversation going on in the background that isn't being heard. This shows telepathic communication, which is when two people share their thoughts and feelings without speaking. You may also know when someone is texting or calling you before the phone rings or the message shows up. You feel like you know something deep down and are connected in a way that goes beyond space and time. As you move toward the fifth dimension, you might not have as clear of a picture of the past, present, and future. You'll see that time isn't a straight line, but a web of different dimensions where things can happen in the past, during, and after this life. You can get wisdom and insights from the past, see what might happen in the future, and make choices that are in line with your highest purpose once you understand this. One of the most interesting things about the trip to the fifth dimension is the idea that time can stretch out. You might notice that the way you think about time changes in a way that blows your mind as you get closer to this deep shift in consciousness. This could give you a lot of new experiences and ideas. There are times when time seems to be getting longer or shorter. One of the coolest skills you can learn is how to consciously bring things into your life. The closer you get to the full shift to the fifth dimension, the more your thoughts and intentions may change the real world. Focused consciousness could help you make things happen, or even changes in the world around you happen much faster. This means that you can change the truth whenever you want, making it less clear the difference between thought and manifestation. Things and places around you might change based on how you feel or what you think. You have a lot of creative power inside you, just remember that. In the fifth dimension, your thoughts are like seeds. The more you align with their higher frequencies, the more things you can get done. There is a lot of duty that comes with having a lot of power. Be smart and kind with this gift as you get closer to the shift to the fifth dimension. You might feel like you are deeply connected to everything that lives. This could help people get along better and feel more united around the world. In this world, the differences between people that have caused problems for hundreds of years begin to go away. You'll understand that everything you do has an effect on everything else as you learn more about how things are linked. Knowing this will help you make choices that lead to love, peace, and kindness. One more wonderful thing about your trip to the fifth dimension is that you will feel very close to nature. You might be drawn to nature and not be able to stay away if you feel like you're one with Mother Earth. As you spend time at nature, you feel better and calm down. You might learn more about how important it is to protect and preserve our planet, and you'll get a better sense of how beautiful and balanced it is. Sometimes, as your connection with nature grows, you may feel deeply united and above everything else. When things are going well, you feel like you're linked to everything in the world. The more you get ready for the new earth, the happier and more united you will feel. Your senses may change as you get older, letting you pick up on more energies and vibrations. You might feel different about the world around you. You may be able to hear and see energies better and connect with them better. In real life, this means being able to pick up on a wider range of frequencies than humans can. The world will come to life in ways you can't imagine. You will be able to see the good and beautiful in everything, which will make you love life even more. You could become aware of more than one timeline or parallel reality at the same time. You could also see or talk to things or people from other dimensions. It's like being able to read about everything in the universe in a huge library in space. You'll find out that the truth is bigger and worse than you thought. Meeting people from other worlds will help you understand the universe and your place in it better. She often said that our bodies need to get used to the fifth dimension. When the full shift is almost here, your body and the foods you like to eat may change. Going through deep energetic shifts that change how you look or what you can do could be one of these changes. There may also be changes in your own energy and vibrations. The way you experience this world is through your body. With each new dimension, it will need to be changed to work with the different frequencies. Don't be scared of these changes. They're helping you grow. The shift to the fifth dimension is getting closer. It's possible that more synchronicities and signs from the universe will happen to you. These important events may happen more often and more deeply for you if you trust and follow this divine guidance. It's like the universe talks to you all the time, taking you on your trip. Pay attention to the signs and chances, because they are the crumbs that will help you find your true self and the new earth. You could start having vivid dreams about being in wonderful places. As you go about your daily life, you may also have clear visions and glimpses of the new earth. You will feel a deep peace and love for life as you see these things. You can see into the future through these visions and dreams, which show you the beauty and peace of the fifth dimension. As you think about the amazing journey you are on, they give you ideas and keep you going. Some people may not be in your life after you move to the fifth dimension. This is one of the most important and sometimes hard parts of the shift, because your energy and vibration are changing. These things will happen on their own. There's a chance that some relationships won't work out anymore, and some people may choose to leave your life. You need to know that this is a normal part of your soul's growth as you align with the frequencies of the fifth dimension, even though it hurts and feels weird. Anyone who is in tune with your new energy will naturally come to you. This will help you make connections that are deeper and more real. Along with the coming of the new earth, strange and wonderful things will happen in your life. These things aren't just happening to you by chance. They're signs that your consciousness is growing and that you're connecting with further frequencies in the fifth dimension. Keep an open mind and be amazed by these strange events, because those things show that you're going the right way. Remember that you're not on this journey by yourself. As soon as more people wake up, we all work together to make the world a better place full of love, compassion, and unity. It will be better and more peaceful in the future thanks to the lessons that Dolores Cannon taught us. You should let these strange and beautiful things push you to keep going on your way to the new earth with unwavering faith and love that knows no limits. The best is still to come. People who are brave enough to move to the fifth dimension will find measurable gems they can't find anywhere else.